So now let us see what happens when we try to do real-time analysis with time analysis. So how we are doing it. Uh, we cannot use any scan argument after this. We cannot alter the input parameters, input values which we have already specified before it. In case of time analysis, real-time time analysis. Okay, so let's run it. And as you can see that whenever the logic level is going from 1 to 0, then this toggling is taking place. The Q value is changing from its initial state to its complemented state, and it will continue forever till we close it. So let us go back to the command prompt and press enter, and my simulation will disappear, the plot window will disappear. Okay, now let us see how does RT analysis work. First, let us see in the same way if I have provided a clock, and let me see what happens with RT analysis. Okay, so as you can see, when I have when there is no input for RT analysis, then it is the same as the real time time analysis, that it goes on forever whenever until we close the simulation. Okay, so now let us close the simulation. Okay, so now let's see what happens in real time printing. So this is a separate window that has been produced, and as you can see that these node values are shown in real time, and that's how it works. Okay. Suppose we give plot and print together. Let's see what happens in case of RT analysis. See, printing takes place, but plotting doesn't take place. Okay. Now, what if I want to scan something in real time and want to change my argument? So I have commented my clock, and I'm not giving a clock, but I want to scan my clock input. Okay. So now let us see what happens, and let me use a plot so it will be easier to understand. Okay, so let me run it. See, this is the essential difference between time analysis and RT analysis, that I can I can scan my input voltages during the simulation. That is, even after the simulation is started. So let us start with 0. It won't happen. So I go from 1, and if I go to 0, this is when I go to from 1 to 0, that is a negative edge, this is when a change will take place. Yes, right. So again, if I go 1 and 0, again 0, I go 1 and 0, now it will fall. So this is how you can see. So this is the essential difference between time analysis and RT analysis, that I can take real time inputs and there will be a change in my output during the simulation depending upon my real time inputs. So that's all for this video. I hope it has helped you.